Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you the exchange. This will help you with exchanging or sending Bitcoins. Note, exchange provides highly varied degrees of safety, security, privacy, and control over your funds and information. Here is an international peer-to-peer network. Here is some Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, and other countries. You can also click the sidebars to visit that page so you can get there quickly. So these are the countries that you can send to other people around the world. So I'm going to end the video right here. If you want to go to the Bitcoin website, it will be located in the description box down below this video. I hope you learned the Bitcoin exchanging website.